Good morning students. We are seeing filling of orbitals. Already we have covered alpha principle as well as Pauli exclusion principle. In this session we will try to explain the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. What this rule says. Alpha principle does not explain about the filling of degenerate orbital, but this filling of degenerate orbital is explained by Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Okay. What is degenerate orbital here? The orbital which is having the same energy, that is called degenerate orbital or degeneracy set. Okay. So, we are having the orbitals, we already know the orbitals. What are all the orbitals? S orbital, P orbital, D orbital and F orbital. We know the electrons too. In S orbitals, how many electrons can accommodate? 2 electrons can accommodate. In P orbital, how many electrons can accommodate? 6 electrons can accommodate. In D orbital, how many electrons can accommodate? 10 electrons can accommodate in D orbital. In F orbital, 14 electrons can accommodate in F orbitals. Okay. So, here this Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity gives a new topic which is nothing but pairing. This is the new term here. What do you mean by pairing here? So, we are seeing the filling of electrons. So, let me explain the pairing by using these orbitals. Okay. So, we are seeing S orbital. S orbitals can accommodate 2 electrons. How can I write the electrons? Electron 1, electron 2. So, this is called pairing. So, one electron is paired by another electron. This pairing was explained by Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. For P orbital, we are having 6 electrons. So, let me write the electrons first. Electron 1, electron 2, electron 3 and electron 4, electron 5, electron 6. So, here the fourth electron. Here the fourth electron starts pairing. Okay. So, this was explained by Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. In D orbital, we are having 10 electrons. Let me write the electrons. Electron number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where the pairing is start? The 6th electron starts pairing here. Okay. So, this Hund's rule explains the pairing. The pairing will not take place until all the available orbitals is filled by 1 electron each. Okay. So, this was D orbital and the F orbital contains the 14 electrons. So, let me write the electrons here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 8th electron starts pairing. So, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, in this way I can explain the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. By this we have covered the filling of orbitals. We have seen the half-hour principle. Half-hour principle talks about the lower energy and higher energy orbital, and the lower energy orbital is filled first, followed by the higher energy orbital. In Pauli exclusion principle, we have seen all the 4 quantum numbers. The quantum numbers values will be different for each S and P, D, F for all the quantum numbers. And then we are seeing the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. In this we have seen about the pairing. Okay, thank you.